This is an update on microwave anomaly published on October 16, 2014. The animation starts on October 13 at midnight UTC to November 1, 2 AM UTC. There are 4 microwave anomalies or pulse that occur near the international date line in this video clip. "18 hours microwave anomaly before the arrival of Hurricane Ana. Hurricane Ana moving northwest. Second microwave anomaly or pulse occurred. A low pressure will develop here after 4 days of the disappearance of the second microwave pulse or anomaly. The third microwave anomaly or pulse. Let's go back later and watch this clouds as it moves westward to become tropical storm Neri or Pine. Another 10-hour microwave anomaly or pulse. After the anomaly disappears, the low quickly dissipates and merge with Hurricane Ana. Now let us see again the third anomaly and monitor the clouds as it moves westward. This is the third anomaly in this video clip that occurred on the 22nd of October at 9 PM UTC. Another 10 hours microwave anomaly or pulse that started on October 28 at 7 PM UTC. The current track indicates that the storm will curve northward before it reaches longitude 130 degrees east.